Hey everyone, and welcome to Business 203, Fall 2023. This is the course that answers how best to present yourself. It also answers what do you do with all types of communication. Your communication, all of your communication, written, oral, speaking, the way you dress, the way you present yourself, the way you interact with your peers, with your family, with your employees, with your supervisors, with your clients, whether you're in business for yourself, whether you're going to work in a company, a hospital, because I have some students who are not only business majors. I have this semester, six liberal arts students, which is very exciting. And I have a good number of dental hygiene students, and I have a rad tech student. So we're really very excited about you working with us in the business department. Now, all of communication must be clear, concise, correct, complete, and courteous. And we're going to go through each and every one of these aspects of communication so that you will be able to communicate and make yourself effective as a communicator, selling your product or your service. When you come into the class, as you well know because I made the class available, this is where you start. You click into start here, and you will be able to see, okay, the video that I had created for you. All right, so navigating the course, let's go through very quickly. Okay, click into the announcements, which is where it goes automatically once you come into the Blackboard site, and you'll go through the syllabus, instructor information, textbook, teams, weekly assignments, discussion board. You'll notice that you are already in teams. Okay, now you will see when you come into this, well, you're already in the site and you see this, you'll see team 1, or you'll see team 2, or you'll see team 3, or you'll see team 4, or you'll see team 5. You will not see all 5 of this. You will see the team in which I have enrolled you. Everyone is in a team, and that is your team for the rest of the semester, for the entire semester. So that's why it's important when you're doing your assignment, your weekly assignment, and you'll see that I have only made the assignment week 1 available to you. All right, that part of your assignment that's due on Thursday, 11 p.m. Thursday, August 31st, is to introduce yourself in the discussion board. Okay, so question and answer, that's going to be a different thing. Introduce yourself, and that is due by 11 p.m. Thursday, August the 31st. Make sure that you introduce yourself in proper attire, not sweats, not in the bathroom. Believe it or not, somebody had done a video of introducing himself in the bathroom. That's certainly, this is a professional setting. You are expected, when you are creating a video, when you are making a presentation, to be dressed professionally. And I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. All right. Also, in your first week, okay, your introductory assignments, you're going to watch a video, and you're going to you're going to answer the questions that are there. Very simple. Writing or working with numbers. And again, this is your opinion. There is nothing here that I'm asking you to write an essay. I'm not asking you to read a chapter. I'm not asking you to do anything heavy. The purpose is to make sure that you know how to use these tools in Blackboard, that you introduce yourself to the class, because you're going to be working with each other. All right. And so I just want to make sure that everybody is understanding. Contact information, how do you get a hold of me? I've given you my cell phone, which means that I want you to text me. Now, I've given you my email, which is all well and good, but I cannot answer email if I'm in a meeting. And it takes time to write an email, as you will see for yourself when you create emails. All right, so it's much easier to send me a text, making sure that your text is written in proper English, proper sentences. All right, none of these shortcut, because you remember you're sending a message to me, your supervisor. Think of me as your supervisor in this class, as well as your mentor. I mean, as well as your mentor. All right. So this is about me. This is a video that I made through the School of Professional Studies. They just made it look a little classier than what you would normally see when we're on Blackboard Collaborate. All right. So we've gone through all of this. Okay, syllabus. Okay, make sure you read the course description, course objectives. What are you going to be learning in this class? You are going to learn communication models, social diversity in the workplace, working collaboratively, preparation and writing in business, business presentations both in person and online, positive, negative, persuasive, correspondence for employment, and correspondence to legislators. All right, these are the units. This does not mean the weeks. This is just the units. All right, and this is an asynchronous or fully online section. All right, now this is extremely important. I post the assignments each Monday morning, and the assignments, obviously, you already see this. I've made the course available. These assignments, the introductory assignments, are due 11 p.m. by Thursday, 11 p.m., August the 31st. That gives you almost a week. But because classes start on Friday, all right, you're not going to get a new assignment on Monday, August the 28th. You'll get a new assignment on Monday, September 4th, Labor Day. All right. Please read the information in the course syllabus. You are expected to read the chapters that are assigned and complete all of the assignments. You are required to submit only those assignments in which I have posted the due date and time in which they are supposed to be submitted. Remember, your assignments are due on the day and time that are posted in assignments, and not when you feel like it. Now, this is extremely important. Anyone unable to submit the assignments on the due date and time must speak with your advisor. I will accept communication only through your advisor as to any problem that you are having in submitting the assignments on the due date and time. Otherwise, the grade of 0 will remain. So if you do not submit your assignment on time by 11 p.m. on the due date, you get a 0. Now, when I talk to your advisor, it is only for your advisor to tell me that the advisor has seen you, met with you, and discussed any problems that you're having. The advisor certainly is not going to tell me your problems. That's not my business. I have no business with that. I just want to know that you met with your advisor to discuss whatever problems that you are having. And the advisor will tell me, yes, I met with so-and-so and we're working out something. That's all I need to know. And then we'll go from there, because then I will work with you. All right, I can't work with you if I don't know what's happening, that you won the lottery and you just said you're not going to continue at school. That's fine. All right, but if you just disappear, it's going to show on your attendance roster as well. Okay, Writing Center, make the Writing Center your home. All right, it is not the place for failing classes or you're not doing well. The Writing Center is to help you write better. The Writing Center is to help you present yourself better. This is an addition to what you're learning in class. So use those people properly all the time. Live in the Writing Center, or online, because they do have the tutors online. So make sure this is not just for people who have English as a third language or a fourth language and they're having difficulty writing. It is for everyone in this class. You want to improve your professional image because you will be writing and speaking and working with people for the rest of your professional life. Make sure you understand that. Submitting an assignment just in case you've forgotten. Now, this is important, the textbook, because you're saying to yourself, what textbook? What are we using? Just as I showed you over there. This, not only is this section writing intensive, not only is it fully online, it's asynchronous, there are no days that we meet. It is also open education resource, which means that there is no official textbook that you have to buy. This is where we are going to do all of your work. These links are the ones that are going to, these are the links that you're going to be using as your textbook. Free, zero cost, all right? So just want to let you know that. If we go back to our syllabus, okay? Back to the syllabus, all right? You'll see the same thing that I have on Blackboard. This is your syllabus, everything that's there. Your grading standards are based on percentages and not points. You're going to tell me, well, I should get an A because the points say this. I'm not interested in the points. These are the percentages. And you'll notice that 55% of your grade, which is more than half, is going to be individual formal writing assignments. Okay, you'll have individual team and homework assignment, team discussion boards. They're worth 5% of your grade. Notice that you have individual presentation and team presentation. And look at what we're grading. Dress, oral, meaning your speech, video presentation, and a written paper. That's worth 20% for individual and 20% for team. Okay, this is a college level course. There is no R grade for this course. All right, so this is a college level. Okay, all right, and went through all of this with you. Technology requirements. All right, this is attendance. Since this is an asynchronous or fully online course, attendance is taken when you submit your assignments. Everyone is expected to submit all assignments on the due date and time, as I have indicated to you. Okay, these are your topics. Writing center, submitting an assignment, attendance policy, grading standards, college level class. Also remember, there is no extra credit for this course. And since there's no extra credit for this course, there is no incomplete. Unless you have doctor's notes and all of that, there is no incomplete for this course, and there is no extra credit. If you have done nothing all semester, and at the end of the semester you're asking me for extra credit, that's going to be impossible. You cannot get extra credit for not doing for extra credit because you haven't done anything all semester. I am assuming that every one of you wants to improve your professional presentation and your professional image. I'm assuming that. So I'm assuming that everyone in this class is expected and wants to get an A. The F is only for Figueroa, which is the first letter of my last name. Everything else is an A, period. I expect that. I work with you to get an A because you're improving your professional image, and that's what's important. That is definitely what's important for you to concentrate, that you really want to improve your professional development. All right, read this syllabus. This is also on the syllabus. That's why I put it out here. All right, we talked about teams, textbook, your weekly assignments. I already went over the introductory assignments. All right, your team's discussion boards, my grades. Okay, and I'm very good at grading your papers within a week. All right, so your assignments are due on August the 31st. By the following week, before you even get the Monday assignments, because these are very simple, then you'll get them. But you'll always get your grades before the next week's assignment. All right, any questions that you have, anything that you're not sure of, okay, make sure that you see me in the office hours on Tuesdays and Thursdays. You already see that in the contact information. 10 p.m. to 11 p.m. If those hours are not convenient for you, as I indicated, send me a text. Tell me what your hours are that are better for you. And make sure when you send me a text, you send me your name. You don't have to tell me the class, because this is the only section that I'm teaching. So just send me your name. Okay? So this way I know who you are. Because then I'm going to have to send you a text and ask, who are you? All right? So, ladies and gentlemen, I look forward to working with each of you. I enjoy teaching this class. I enjoy teaching students at Hostos, especially those of you who are outside of the department. It's always exciting to have people outside of the department. So let's have fun. Let's enjoy the course. Let's improve our image. Let's work together. This is what it's all about, communicating and working together. So enjoy the rest of the week. I look forward to meeting with you on Thursday, because Friday is the first day of class. So I look forward to meeting with you on Tuesday, August the 29th, during office hours, just to say hello, okay, at 10 p.m., just to say hello. All right? Thank you. Enjoy in the rest of the summer. It's not that much time that we have, but just enjoy, all right, and enjoy the course. Thank you. Bye-bye.